Have you ever seen something in an old photograph that doesn't belong there? A man in 1941 wearing modern sunglasses. A woman in a 1938 film talking into what looks like a mobile phone. A mysterious internet user claiming he came from the year 2036. What if time travel isn't science fiction? What if we missed the proof? Or what if we just misunderstood it? In a 1941 photo from Canada, one man stands out. Modern sunglasses, printed t-shirt, casual jacket. People call him a time traveler. But when historians looked closer, they found something interesting. Those sunglasses already existed. That sweater, sold locally at the time. It wasn't the future. It was fashion. A woman appears to be walking and talking into a small device. The internet went wild. Was she using a mobile phone in 1938? But analysis revealed something simpler. She was using a hearing aid. Sometimes the future is just perspective. In 2000, a man named John Titor appeared online. He claimed he was from 2036. He predicted civil war. He said time travel was already invented. His predictions failed, but the idea spread like wildfire. Because humans don't just want time travel to be real, we want it to explain uncertainty. Here's the twist. Time travel is already real, just not the way you think. Einstein showed that time is not fixed. The faster you move, the slower your time flows. Astronaut Scott Kelly, highlighted here, aged approximately 8.6 milliseconds less than his twin brother Mark, who remained on Earth. This was due to Einstein's theory of relativity, where time passed slightly slower for Scott while traveling at high speed in orbit. They were born 6 minutes apart in 1964. Mark is the older twin. GPS satellites adjust their clocks every day because time literally moves differently in orbit. Traveling back in time is where things get strange because going into the past can create serious problems. Wormholes may act like shortcuts through space and time connecting distant places. But for now, going back in time is just an idea, not something we can actually do. So did time travelers visit us? Probably not. But time is not what you think it is. The deeper we look, the stranger it becomes.